am.
I was about to commit. So calm down.
If no be me, you supposed to thank me. Thank me. Woman, thank me. You're supposed to thank me, oh.
They would have killed me. My life would have spoiled.
She won't do it for you.
No. That's not what I said. I was not. Oh, you save, you calm down.
But wait, your life will not spoil. What?
I mean, they would have. God, thank you. Now I will go to church one day.
You cannot be thank me too now. Me will no one make everything bust for camera like that.
Not going to bust. Thank you.
You will not bust. Try.
Thank you, sir.
That boy they enjoy you. Now why
what?
That boy is because with camera, that boy talk him yesterday now just you guys don't want to take him serious. That boy said, Pizu, I dey chop life for this house past my since when you on the island. You know the shop life. Since when you don't eat talk him, cap. Since when you don dey island na this time around him chop life pass. For say you no wan comot. And I told him, die there, my brother.
He has gone. He never ever.
He's coming back. That's how we go take see him now. He go just bust in. That's. You see that house? That house is made for that boy. Now him get the house automatically.
I'm not too calm. Give me. Bet for who? No.
Wait. You know the funniest part? You know the funniest part? You gonna do shakara on the line. You gonna do yeah. Now you dey wake up with food.
Which food? For money that they've not put in my head. I don't wake anybody up.
You said yesterday.
I know how to hide things. Stop. It's this that makes me laugh.
Wait, now you dey wake up. Even talk am reach sote. You gave this boy tea. You dey wake up with food. Wake up with tea. Anything that boy wants, they give am.
Nonsense lie. For no, I don't wake anybody with food.
You woke him up with breakfast on bed.
It's okay, sir. It's okay. It's what friends do. It's what friends do.
So you did it. You know they admit, you did it.
If your friend come and visit you, she will not cook for you. It's my house. I got to cook. If I cannot cook, I got to buy food.
Wait, you run am abi you no run am? Just yes or no?
I don't want to play game. I don't want to play game.
Answer me first. You you run am abi you no run am?
I don't do anything. Familiar, Jerry. I don't know anything.
You run am. See the way she dey use Andy. God, when I go, okay. Let me just
look. Our wife. If you call me wife, I will prepare pepper soup for you. What's wrong with you?
Our wife.
Deceiving young girl. You can't be deceiving young girl saying our wife. If you don't want to tell me our wife again.
Our wife. She won't make I talk am. Now why she?
I not.
Now only that comment she sees is what she don't talk any other. Now our wife you see. She won't make I talk am. Our wife.
Thank you. pepper soup, I'll soon prepare for him because I don't understand which one I wife. I said, somebody by him.
I like Joe. Pepper soup, you don't prepare. I been see one video. I saw one video. I saw one video. Javis. Javis, I did treat this boy well.
It's not about treating somebody well. Where I come from, a woman has to be a woman, of course.
Yeah, that's why you're doing your main job.
It's every girl. Any girl can do it.
That's why you're doing your main job for him.
It's not main job, give me. It's
main job. That's your duty now.
The way they train us is you have to be a girl. You have to.
You have to take care of your husband. Yeah, you have to take care of your husband. Yeah, I understand.
I've not married anybody. This one people are calling him husband. People make me not to marry.
Our wife, calm down. Our wife, calm down. Yeah. 36 roses, guys. 36 roses. 36.
Everybody, people happy yesterday. One light people don't drop lion for me.
See, I be like cold. I be die. If
I shout for one gift, let me bend. You will not be doing your work.
Guys, 36 roses, so 36 people, 36 people. Wait see happen. Who be all these people when they watch me? 36 now. Yeah. We be 1.5 for year. We not be drop 36. 36. 36. Go in. Gone. We no meet up. Ajay, we no meet up.
Don't worry, we'll meet up since. Guys, use the times 3. Me or not?
Do we have any boasting glove? Na boasting glove have you used better or have you used beats this kind of thing?
Good morning.
Any boasting glove?
Drop on the times 3, Edjo, please.
Oh, she has over 10k views. Oh, I think.
My head.
Only one. God bless you, my brother. I can meet up now. This one a small thing.
Wait, though, that day you and Lumba were playing, is it official game?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not really official like that because Lumba sets that shit up.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm mad.
Bye. God bless you guys. Oh, I go meet up. Only one Bob.
Come on, family, use the times 3 now. Edjo, thank you. It's not easy, but please don't call me your wife again, okay? You know my name. My name is Javis. My name is Elizabeth. My name is Javis. Thank you.
AOS no disappoint me. Like, yeah. AOS, 100, always intact.
Guys, you're coming out.
Only one Bob. I'm coming, this one a small thing,
Wait, so please.
Bad boy. Blessings. Everybody double tap on your screen.
Make your baby girl happy now. Kill me. When last you see me on live? Edjo. Like wonderful people. Dogos in the house. Handsome and beautiful. Hey. Spend the money. Spray me, let me dance.
Yeah, we go make you happy until you kiss. She don't want to hear that thing. Why you don't want to hear that kiss? Guys, double tap on your screen. Forget, we go make you happy until you. And she won't do yesterday. Who say we can shout? Who say we can shout?
Jadolita, born of a woman.
Born of a man.
England. No matter how they use, if they want to even use this thing to cover my eyes.
Not lie. Not lie.
I cannot lose guard like that.
No problem. You go soon lose guard. Guys.
Everybody power tap on your screen. Let's go, Chad. Please follow all my wonderful activities.
Everybody power tap on your screen. Let's go, Chad. Is
this the first time you're hearing me talk, Seun, please.
They try you.
You leave Bella out of this now. The boy is not here.
Okay. But it's still coming though. So.
No. He's not coming again. I told him to stop. I don't want to see him.
You know, you for your mind. Few minutes now, I go see their video together. They play. Guys, double tap on your screen.
Guys, power tap, I'm coming.
Guys, tap. Adipela dey inside the sleep. And that boy dey inside the sleep. Oh. The boy video on top bed now. What a soft life. Guys, be ready with your roses, Be ready with your roses. I be that boy dey inside. Yeah, 51.
Everybody.
Guys doing the AI thing.
You say?
The AI. When are you guys doing it?
Actually, that one was an intro. It's a new concept, yeah. And now we're not serious, we're just saying. But this new one now, I think I'll make a banner for it and let people know about it. So everybody be on live that day. Hey, I don't know how long we'll spend, but an hour should be okay. Then later on, after him, I'll be adding like featuring anybody just join on my live.
If you're just joining, you're welcome. If you're just joining, you're welcome.
No, you will join one day.
Ladders. If you're just joining, you're welcome. If you're just joining, you're welcome.
Yeah, that's the only way that will make it fun, because if I start to do it alone, it will be tiring. So that one will be more fun and engaging. So everybody be keeping your gift too. Not that we'll come and we'll be chopping roses. You want to kill somebody with rose. Rose will kill us. If you don't bring other gifts, you will not see the other.
Rose carry you enter for 19K.
You see?
Because me, I don't go green. No be rose carry you enter 19K.
There are many other gifts too. So if they don't activate those other gifts, you not see our reaction to those gifts that are very funny.
So which one is the other gift? Wait, what if they give you three?
When we activate we know. So that's what I'll be doing now. That's the new concept.
What about sports car?
I don't know. We will plan the sound, or I will think of the sound for all the gifts.
Teddy bear. What about teddy bear?
I don't know. Don't give away now. Guys,
double tap on your screen.
it's not, I can't do giveaway at this moment because I have bills. So maybe after, like when I'm back.
Are you not done with this thing?
I'm going for it soon.
And don't drink cold water.
It's not cold though.
Okay. Guys, double tap on your screen.
Everybody power tap on your screen. Thank you so much, family. Follow my wonderful people.
Now she the ginger me now. Abraham! Abraham! Oh yeah, go and buy it.
You have a son. You have a child.
He works with.
Hey! I love you people. You're making me emotional. Everybody, let's
thank you. Thank you. Guys, 36. 4 more to go. 4 more. Times 3, guys.
Everybody, times 3.
Times 3, everybody. Times 3, everybody. Alicia, thank you. Just fast. Guys, drop anything on times.
Everybody, let's snap on it times 3. This is the last game, please. Let's snap on times 3. Thank you, Saps. Saps. Sir, thank you very much. More blessings. Times 3. Let's go.
Times 3, guys. Times 3, everybody. Whoa.
J Money.
Guys, times 3.
No, what? That's great. Thank you very much, Jay. Thank you. Times 3. Last game. Finish him. We still have time. We have 5 seconds more than times 3. Hey, money. Stop. Poor money. Star, all of you, thank you very much. You got us speechless. Don't worry. Don't worry. You don't have to cry no more. You just have to let it go away. Love this. I'm playing with family. Thank you very much, family. God bless you. Please follow my wonderful gifters. See. And the beauty. Oh. So let's go there. J Money, thank you very much. God bless you. Please follow them. Bill Laz.
She did use me to catch close. Thank you. All is well. Stay.
Say you love me for your fun. But the way you don't do me for fun. I go run away from that. You don't finish me with love. Okay, nobody tired of
We all finished you. Thank you so much, Davido, for that amazing track.
No problem.
Thank you very much. I see you when I see you, show please. Ciao.
Bye bye. Enjoy.
Am I tall or short? I'm short. Why is my network doing like this now? Am I tall or short? I'm short. Why is my network doing like this now? Network what? Thank you so much, my wonderful gifter. A big shout out to Cool Money, Sabrain, Swag, J Money, Saps, King Neb, African Child, Lord Sally. For some time after, okay, I'll try to be on live today, tomorrow. So probably for 1 week I will not be active. Yeah. So I'm telling you, on ground, that I will not be active. So I'll be receiving treatments. Okay. So probably I'm coming back better. So all you have to do for me, my love, is to put me in your prayers and just do one of two. When you wake up in the morning and say, oh Father Lord, bless her. When she wakes up, protect her, blah blah blah. You get? So yeah. So I'm going to restructure and remove this rubbish very soon. So in the course of that, probably Peller will be helping me to come live. once in a while with this account. So when I'm back, it's time for business. So what I intend to do is that to make the live stream more interesting, more engaging, and understand. You see what happened yesterday? Yeah, it's something that we've been talking about, like we've been planning. So we just decided to. I did not plan to come live yesterday, but Pella literally pushed me. I decided to just try it, and it was fun, right? Even me, I could not hold my laughter. I could not hold myself. It was literally crazy with him trying my second uniform, my second suit. So he will be my first person to bring on the stream. So I intend to make it more official. Peller, is my number one. So the thing is that I will make a banner. Maybe during the week when I'm not around, people will be posting it. So me, AI featuring, I'll mention the person that I'm featuring on my live stream. So I'm starting with Peller. So we just do it. I don't know how long, but maybe an hour. Not that bad, right? Then after Peller, we'll start looking for, people will be suggesting for me. You can just suggest. I can post in my channel. Then you guys suggest, okay, who you want me to feature with the whole robot stuff. The thing is that they'll wear my suit. They'll wear the suit. So the people will be looking for the very slim, like me. Yeah, sure. Eyes! Thank you so much, Eyes. You're amazing. God bless you. So that's what I'll be doing for the meantime. Thank you so much, Eyes. So today I posted it. Yeah, I saw it. Obi-Wan, you're welcome. Today I posted it. I saw it. I saw that one. So to show you that it's very interesting. It's just that people are just focusing. They are just not focusing on the fun part of it. They're just focusing on, I don't know. It's to make it fun. It was funny. It was funny and very interesting. So from Pella, we'll be moving on to different people and all that. So at least that's a good idea than just coming live and just be like this sometimes. Sometimes I can come like this. It's not every time I'll be doing that. You should know. Once in a while. So sometimes I come my real self. Thank you very much, family. God bless you. To all my wonderful gifters, to all my supporters, thank you so much. So as I said that I'll make a vlog about this whole process and post on my YouTube. And that's the only way, instead of coming out to come and be seeing it on live stream and people are screen recording and doing stuff. Okay, thank you very much, my lovely people. Thank you for your support. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay happy. Be good. Jesus loves you. I love you too. Hey everyone, thank you very much. Teacher. Can you try teacher again? So I see you guys when I see you guys. I don't know when. Maybe later in the evening. And surely later in the evening I'll come live. I'll come live later in the evening. I just came to say hi to you all. Respects. I love you. Drop a love in the comment section for me. Even though you don't love me, just drop it. I love you too. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Ciao, ciao. Bye.